Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use FTS Glide. We'll begin by understanding its core purpose, transforming complex data into clear, actionable insights. This powerful platform is designed for efficiency, allowing you to connect to diverse data sources, from simple spreadsheets to robust databases. Its intuitive interface, featuring drag-and-drop functionality, makes data manipulation straightforward for users of all skill levels. Next, let's dive into importing and preparing your data with an FTS Glide. The platform supports over 20 different file types, ensuring broad compatibility for your datasets. You can efficiently cleanse and transform your information using the integrated tools, which also offer automated suggestions to resolve inconsistencies. Always remember to preview your data changes in real time. This ensures accuracy before you finalize any modifications. Now, we'll explore creating dynamic visualizations, a core strength of FTS Glide. You can select from more than 15 distinct chart and graph types to best represent your data. Customize every aspect, including colors, labels, and axes, to ensure maximum clarity and impact. Adding interactive filters allows viewers to explore specific data segments, and sharing your polished, dynamic dashboards with colleagues is incredibly straightforward. Finally, let's touch upon FTS Glide's advanced features and sharing capabilities. The platform enables you to perform complex calculations, unlocking deeper analytical insights from your data. You can also set up automated reports to deliver key findings regularly, saving valuable time. Real-time collaboration on shared projects is seamless, and when it's time to present, you can easily export your findings in various formats, including PDF or CSV.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.